Here is a way of getting protein in. I gotta throw this away. I don't know why I did not throw it away before recording, but whatever. So, I usually, if I'm trying to get my protein intake and I don't feel like eating a bunch of like meat right now, I'll have some plain Greek yogurt with a scoop of protein powder. And if you hear anything in the background, that is my air fryer. I am heating up 12 chicken nuggets that the frozen Great Value from Walmart. But I got, you can do any protein powder, but I like to do the chocolate one. And this is the brand that I use. I also have vanilla. So I just take a scoop of that. You can do 2 scoops to get the full 30 grams of protein, but I don't know why I just did that with the, the thing, but whatever. Okay, so after that, I put some PB Fit powder, that is a peanut butter. So I'll take this PB Fit, and this only has 60 calories, 8 grams plant-based protein, 87% less fat, traditional peanut butter. You can blend it, bake it, and spread it. This one is no sugar added. The only sugar that is in here is 1 gram, and then there's 1 gram of sugar alcohol. And so I'm taking 2 tablespoons of this. Well, you know what? Actually, I'm going to do 1 tablespoon. It says a serving size. It could be like 2 tablespoons, but I'm only going to do 1. Then I take a little bit. I don't really measure this, but I take cocoa powder. Some people take cacao powder. I just say cocoa powder because that's what I'm used to. But anyways, I just take a little bit. I don't really take a whole lot. I don't really measure, but I just kind of go like that. And then whatever's left, I just put back in there in the container. And then after that, I put some sweetener in here. So this is my sweetener I'm using. It's stevia, the powder. I've never tried the liquid kind, but yeah, I just like don't measure this either. I just kind of just sprinkle a little bit. It tastes so good, like really good. So I'm gonna mix it. So this is what it looks like. You could add like anything you want on top. You don't have to do what I do, but this is what I usually like to make, or sometimes I'll put vanilla protein powder and vanilla extract. You can basically do any, it's basically your canvas. So you can basically do whatever you want with your yogurt. But I use the Great Value Greek yogurt, so yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you have a great day.